What's up, mi gente? This is Jackie from Bronx Baubles bringing you another exciting video. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Presidium, and I'm going to show you how I use it. And this Presidium, I'm going to be using it on this necklace, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. So the Presidium comes in this beautiful case. I already have it plugged in. I'm going to pull it out of the case, and it looks like this. This one happens to be a Presidium Gem Tester 2, and the Presidium is an at-home device that you use for testing gems to give you an idea. A lot of times we see gems and they can be all sorts of different things, and this helps narrow it down a little bit. It comes with a plug, which I already have plugged in. And it also comes with this prober. This prober has a little cover. Take off the cover because the cover protects this needle. You can see that needle. It protects that needle. This needle is what you use to probe onto the gem. The gem has a glass and a cal for calibration. And this helps calibrate the machine to make sure that it's operating correctly. Because if it's not calibrated, you could be testing gems and it can give you a false read. So this one, when you touch it with the probe, it should land on this glass. Let me bring it up closer. It should land on this glass. And when I hit cal, it should land over here at the cal. So let's give it a test. So I'm going to probe it. And you see how it hits the glass? And then this one, it hits cal. So we know that this has been calibrated correctly. We'll put this to the side for a minute. And the necklace in question is this one here. This is a necklace that I recently purchased, and I put it on one of my YouTube shorts. And I didn't know what stone it was because it's this beautiful green colored stone. Let me bring it up close. And in the stones, you can see that it looks like a natural stone. It didn't have, it wasn't clear. It had inclusions. And so I knew that this was a natural stone. Besides, when you feel it on your skin, you can feel the coldness. And so I knew this was a natural stone. But I wasn't sure if this was fluorite, nephrite, jadeite. It could be a man-made corundum. It could be glass, Peking glass. It could have been even a peridot, and it could be emerald. When I did a Google search on this necklace, it showed many necklaces that looked just like this that were called emeralds, and I couldn't believe that this was an emerald because I thought it was jadeite. You can tell by the way it's constructed. It has 6 strands. And it was constructed with this cloth divider, and the way that it's made tells you that this is from India. And when I Google lensed it, several of these came up in 3 strands, 5 strands, 10 strands, even 7 strands. All of them were saying that it was emerald. So I said, I'm going to pull out my Presidium and test it. This way, I'm not guessing. I'm getting the advice from the machine that tells me what this stone is. This machine was purchased by my daughter, Sophie. I usually don't ask for gifts for the holidays. Actually, I am more of a gift giver than I am a gift receiver. But she really wanted to buy me something, and I said, if you really wanted to buy me something, this is the only thing I really, really wanted. I think this machine is like $200 or $250, give or take. Don't remember exactly, but I think it's around that price range, just so that you know how much it costs. So you're only going to buy this machine if you're like me, a jewelry hoarder, collector, or you're a seller. This way, when you sell, you're, marking your jewelry the way it's supposed to be correctly. You're not guessing, and you're not selling something that might be something else. You don't want to call it an emerald if it's really a peridot or fluorite, because there's a huge price difference. A strand like this, if it turns out to be emerald, would be in the several $100s, anywhere from, I've seen them go for $300 all the way up to $600, and even strands that are in the thousands of dollars. I don't think that this one is one of those strands, but hey, you never know. I just want to know if it's really emerald or not. So without further delay, let's give this a try. If it's real emerald, the needle will land around here where it says emerald. Okay, so I gotta put this down, probe it with this needle onto the stones. It's landing on emerald. Yes, it's an emerald. Yay! This is a bona fide emerald, people. So how exciting is that? I'm so excited. I can call this a genuine emerald. I can't believe I have an emerald necklace that looks like this, like the Wizard of Oz and the Emerald City. OMG. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you want to see more Presidium gem testing. I hope that you liked this video. It's a little bit different than what I normally post up. If you're so inclined, hit subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want me to do more gem testing, and if you guessed that this was an emerald. Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe. Love you guys, and always be bold, be fabulous, be beautiful, and always wear your beautiful vintage costume jewelry in good health. Thank you, mi gente. Love you. Con mucho amor. Ciao.